Namaskar friends, we continue the discuss about the composition of two function. In last lecture we have already started the topic composition of two function. Look here, right? Yeah, composition of function. Here we discuss the continue. Okay, definition already explained. Example 15 completed. Now we discuss example number 16. Look here question. Find GOF and FOG if function R to R, first function, second function G, again R to R. Here both the function have domain and codomain are same. So here we cannot check here FOG or GOF, whichever is possible, because our question already given here show that, right? So here we cannot check here. Okay, so we can solve directly. Look here, we calculate here. First, the function FOG, right? Okay, so function is R to R. Okay, every x belongs to R, domain of FOG. Okay, now calculate FOGX equal to F of Gx. Now what's the value of Gx? Here Gx equal to 3x square. Put here 3x square. For the function fx, this is your x. Okay, now what is the function of fx? Fx is cos x. Now put in place of x. Cos in place of x, we write here 3x square. Is that clear, student? This is your answer. Cos 3x square is FOG. Now exactly the same calculation we discuss GOF. Again GOF from R to R. Every x belongs to R, domain of GOF. Now write here GOFX equal to G of fx. Now fx is cos x. Put here cos x. Now for the here function g, for function g, this is your x. Now what's the function of gx? 3x square. 3x square. Now put here in place of x, we write here cos x. So your final answer 3 cos square x. Now check here. First FOG answer cos 3x square and second GOF answer is 3 cos square x. Both are different. So last statement we can here we write FOG is not equal to GOF. Do you understood, student? Here we show that this one is here prove here. Okay, GOF and FOG are not equal. Clear? Okay, now we discuss the most important example 17. Look, first question. F is the domain from R minus 7 by 5. Here minus 7 by 5. That means we cannot take here the value of x is 7 by 5. And our answer is also not possible. Answer is 3 by 5. Right? And here G function R minus converts the domain and codomain. Function f codomain is R minus 3 by 5. Here the domain. And function f domain is here the codomain. And read your last statement here. A equal to R minus 3 by 5. A equal to R minus 3 by 5 and B equal to R minus 7 by 5. Right? B equal to R minus 7 by. So here we can say here B. This one say B. Okay, and here second codomain is say A. Look here. So function f is B to A and function G from A to B. Is that clear? Now write in our notebook here. Look the student. Which example? 17. Okay, we calculate example number 17. F is the function from B to A, G is the function from A to B. Now Fx equal to and Gx equal to, okay. Now check here, Fx equal to 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7, and gx equal to, student, 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Now what about the question? Here we prove FOG equal to IA, I for identity function, and GOF equal to IB, B for I for identity function. Here identity function from A to A, and here identity function from B to B. We explain here. Look at notebook. Here first we draw the figure. Suppose this is your function F. Okay, say the domain B, here A. Now we draw the domain and codomain for function G. Here with the domain A, codomain B. Now put here X, right side answer Fx. Now Fx put here. So here you can write GOFX. So GOFX function is from starting from B and ending from B. So here we write GOF function is B to B. Now look here, domain and codomain are same. Is that clear? It is also called identity function. Here we prove B to B because here domain and codomain B to B. Okay, clear? Now we calculate here. Okay, now every x belongs to, now we calculate x belongs to B, domain of GOF. GOFX equal to, write simply form GOFX. So G of Fx, Fx is what? 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. For the function G, this one say x for the function G. Okay, now what about say function G? 7x plus 4 right here. 7x plus 4 and denominator 5x minus 3. Now put here this value. Put here this value. 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. Now simplify. Very easy. Now cross multiplication here. Cross multiplication. 1 is multiplied by this bracket, and 5x minus 7 is multiplied by here. Exactly same calculation in denominator. In numerator and denominator both have same LCM, so LCM will be cancelled. Okay, now we can direct here cross multiplication. Look here, student. First 1 is multiplied here, so open this bracket here. 7 3s are 21x, 7 4s are 28, plus 5x minus 7 multiplied by 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28. And denominator again 5 open here. 5 3s are 15x, 5 4s are 20, minus 5x minus 7 is multiplied by here. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. In numerator, which term will be cancelled? 28 plus minus cancel, and denominator plus minus 15x will be cancelled. So in numerator 21 plus 20, 41x. Denominator 20 plus 21, 41. Again 41 cancel. Only the answer x. This is the identity function, the concept. Again, we explain words about the identity function. First rule, identity function, domain and codomain are always same, and we can put here x. Answer is always we get here x. Always here, if we put here 10, so answer we get here 10. If we put here 15, so answer we get here 15. Right? Exactly the same value we get the answer. So it is called identity function. It is also called IB of x. Check your textbook here. Yeah, look here, GOF equal to IB. Is that clear? Now we continue the discussion about the FOG. Now continue FOG function. So here the concept FOG. Again repeat here. Look here, GOF function. GOF function's concept is, look, domain of the, here, if here domain we take the function f, domain is the, we take here function f, and codomain we take the function g. Right? When we find GOF, first function g, second function f, here we take the second function domain and first function g take codomain. Right? Otherwise you can draw the figure. Rough work. Okay. Now FOG. We discuss the FOG here. Just hold it. FOG. Yeah. So here we take the G function domain because G is the second function. G function's domain is A, and F function codomain again A. Right. So our FOG function from A to A. That means identity function IA from A to A. Clear, student? Okay. Now every x belongs to A. It is called domain of FOG. Domain of FOG. Now write here FOGX equal to F of GX. Okay, right here F of Gx is what? First we check your question. Gx equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Now we discuss the function fx. Here, before here, the letter f. Therefore, for the function fx, this is your x. Now check fx is what? Fx equal to 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4, 5x minus 7. Clear, student? Now put here, this one say x. 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3, 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Now cross multiplication and simplify and check your answer here. 1 multiply here and 5x minus 3 multiply here. Calculation here. Okay. Now open the bracket here. 3 7s are 21x, 3 4s are 12, and 5x minus 3 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s are 12. Plus minus 12 will be cancelled here. Exactly same calculation denominator. 5 7s are 35x, 5 4s are 20, and 5x minus 3 multiplied by 7 minus 35x plus 21. Denominator 35x cancel. 21 plus 20, so 41x. Denominator 20 plus 21, 41. Cancel. Again answer x. Is that clear, student? So here we put the value of x and also we get the answer x. It is called identity function from IA of x. Is that clear? Okay, do you understood? Okay, now we continue. Discuss which example. Example 17 completed. Now 18, 19 and 20 discuss, and 21 discuss after next one. But now here We discussed the example number 22. Now we continue the discussion about example number 22. Look the question here. F is the function from 1 to 3. Here we calculated. Example 22. Very easy. Now we draw the ray diagram. First function F. The domain 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. F1, here be 1, 1, here already given. Look here, already given. Fx function be 1, 1 and on to function given by F1 equal to A, F1 equal to A. Just hold it. Yeah. F1 answer A, F2 answer B, F3 answer C. Given in our question. Now show that there exists a function g from ABC to 1, 2, 3. Here we draw here. The function g. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Right? So here our answer is GA answer is 1, GB is 2, GC is 3. Now look here. Such that our concept is we prove here GOF equal to IX and FOG equal to IY. Again identity function student. Here X equal to 1, 2, 3. So here say X, here say Y, again here say Y and say X. Okay. Now for the function X, this is your X. Put here. So answer is Fx, right? So Fx put here. So you can write here GOF. GOF function from X to X. X to X, you can write here IX from X to X function. Clear student? Okay. Now put different value here. We put here GOF. First value for Fx is 1 because our domain of X and X equal to 1, 2, 3. Now put first value 1. Okay. Now simplify. G of F1. G of F1 answer is already given. Look here. F1 answer is A. And GA answer is again 1. Here we put 1. Again we get the answer 1. That means identity function. Now second value G of F2. Put here 2. So G of F2. F2 answer is B given here. Okay. And GB answer is 2. Okay, now G of F3. So G of F3, F3 answer is C and GC answer is again 3. Is that clear student? Okay, so it is called identity function from IX from X to X. Here we have already proved GOF equal to IX. Now we continue the discussion FOG. We write here. FOG. Now take the domain of G. Domain of G is Y. And take the codomain of function F. Codomain of function F is again Y. So you can say here IY from the function Y to Y. Otherwise in a rough work you can draw also figure. Right? If you cannot understand here how is it possible domain and codomain, so you draw the figure. Then you write here FOG from Y to Y. Okay, clear student? Now we calculate FOG Y. What's the value of Y here? Y equal to ABC. Okay, done it. First we calculate F of GA. F of GA answer is 1 and F1 answer is again A. Alright student? Okay, here we place the value A, we get the answer A. So identity function FOGB. FOGB equal to F of GB. F of GB answer is 2, F2 answer is again B. Now we calculate third value FOGC. Right, because our domain is Y and Y equal to ABC. So F of GC and GC answer is 3 here. GC answer is 3. Yeah, right student. So F3 answer is again C. So answer here C. Is that clear? So here we take the different value and different answer here. So we can put here domain of y ABC and also again answer our range ABC again. Is that clear? So it is called identity function IY of X. Okay, look here, FOG equal to IY we have proved here. Okay, student. Okay, now continue. Now here the start the top here, new topic, inverse function, but we discuss in next lecture. Just hold it. Yeah, now we discuss the example number 26. Look here, total three functions are given. Total three function, f is the function from n to n, g from n to n, h from n to r. Define fx equal to 2x, gy equal to 3y plus 4, and hz equal to sin z. Here variable fx equal to 2x. You can write here also gy equal to 3y plus 4. Otherwise you can write here gx equal to 3x plus 4. Both are right. You can choose any variable. Okay, hz equal to sin z. So you can write here hx equal to sin x also. Okay, so we can use only the one variable x. Okay, which result we have proved here? HOGOF equal to HOGOF. Okay, example number 26. Example number 26. HOGOF. HOGOF equal to HOGOF. Right answer? Right question? Yeah. Okay. Now first we calculate here GOF. Okay, GOF. Take the domain of function f is n and codomain of function g also n. Here we suppose GOF equal to t function. Here we suppose GOF equal to t function. Say t. Okay. So we simplify very easy. Now calculate here. Every x belongs to n. Domain of GOF. GOFX equal to G of fx. Right? Now G fx is what? Look your question. Fx equal to 2x, sir. Yeah. So put here 2x. For the function g, this is your x. Now what about say g function? 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Just hold it. 3x plus 4. Put here in place of x 2x. So here GOF otherwise tx equal to 3 2s are 6x plus 4. Our GOF answer is tx. GOF or tx both are same. 6x plus 4. Now put here t. So what about say the function composition of three function HOT. HOT function from we take the domain of t n. Domain of t is n and codomain of h is r. Look here question. Codomain of function h is r. Yeah, here. Okay. Now calculate here. Every x belongs to n. HOTX equal to H of TX. Now what about say TX? TX equal to 6x plus 4, sorry here. 6x plus 4. Now for the function HX. HX is sin x. Yeah, sin x. Put here sin x. Put here in place of x equal to 6x plus 4. This is your HOTX, otherwise HOGOFX. Clear, student? Okay, now we discuss the RHS. In RHS, first we have find HOG. Okay, no problem. Calculate here. HOG. Take the domain GN, codomain of HR. Okay, so every here we suppose u, the function HOG say u. Okay, so x belongs to domain n Okay, HOGX equal to H of GX. Okay, right student? H of, what about say GX function? GX is 3x plus 4, sir. Okay, right here, 3x plus 4. This is your fx. For the function hx, hx is sine x. So sine 3x plus 4. It is called also ux. Clear? Okay. Now our question is HOGOF. Here HOG say U. So UOF right here. UOF. UOF. Take the domain of F and take the codomain of U R. Every x belongs to N. U of fx equal to U of fx equal to U. What about say fx? Fx is what? Look your question. Sub 2x. Yes. Okay, right here 2x. Okay, for the function u, this one say x. For which of the function u? Sir, sine 3x plus 4. Sine as it is, 3 as it is. In place of x, we write here 2x. This is your x. Place here 2x. So our final answer, sine 6x. 3 2s are 6x plus 4. Check your answer, both one. Both one are right, sir. Both ones are right answer. This one is not comparison here. This one say HOGX. We compare the answer. LHS is here. Yeah. Look here. Sine 6x plus 4 HOGOF. And here last answer. UOF, that means HOG in bracket O F of X. Is that clear? So both answer are equal. So last statement you can write here HOGOF equal to HOGOF. Is that clear, student? Do you understood? This is the most important sum and the composition of three functions. Okay, so here we complete the lecture and now discuss about the continue and next lecture and continue the new topic. Okay, so thank you very much.